Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at the October 2020 Ginger Quilter box. This is a box that's been around for a little while. This is box number 5 since its inception. This started originally as the Quilter's Goodie box in June 2020. So she's done this for a few months. I've gotten all of them, and I have loved every box that I've gotten. This is a sewing or quilting themed subscription box. It really seems to be more focused on a project for you to work on rather than a large amount of fabric and sewing notions that are just going to end up on your shelves back there. Let's see what she's got in here. I can't wait to see what we got this month. Doobie doobie doo. Here is our sneak peek. Each month that we get our box, there's always a letter from her on top that explains a little bit about the items that are inside. So let's see what she says this month. Dear friends, the colors are changing. There's a crisp in the air, and all the fun holidays are coming soon. I think lots of us would argue Thanksgiving doesn't get the credit it deserves. It's squished between two over-the-top holidays and sometimes gets the short end of the stick. This month's Ginger Quilter box will help you give Turkey Day the attention it's due. And then she lists out all of the information about each item that's in the box and closes the letter with, I know this box is arriving way before Thanksgiving, but it's never too soon to be a little more grateful. I'm thankful for my supportive family that encourages me during the crazy moments. I'm thankful for good friends who are genuinely excited for every inch of growth I see in my business. And I'm especially thankful for all of you being my subscribers and making this little dream of mine a reality. Thank you for your continued support. Happy Thanksgiving, friends. Sincerely, Natalie, the Ginger Quilter. All right, Natalie, let's see what you picked out for us. Happy Thanksgiving! The item that we have right on the top of our package is this fun little print. Each month, Natalie is giving us a print to put in a 5x7 frame to decorate our space, and this one just says Happy Thanksgiving. She doesn't have this listed in her letter, so there's nothing to read from her about this item. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, we got a little bag of treats. Oh, they're handmade. They're homemade candies. These are pumpkin spice and white chocolate pretzels. I couldn't in good conscience send a fall-themed box without some pumpkin spice. Chocolate-covered pretzels in all their varieties are one of my favorite treats ever. Sweet, salty, perfect. When I saw these pretzels, I knew they were just the goodie this box needed. So it looks like maybe she bought them and opened up the bag and dumped some inside of these treat bags to split them up. They're good. I like them. I think my only thing would be it feels a little weird to get candy that obviously came from an open container put inside a treat bag. Unless these were handmade by you, they were definitely sealed nicely, but it probably would have been a little nicer to get something that was factory sealed. The next item that we have is a duplicate. I got this in the pre-cuts box as well. We have a set of Laurie Holt Autumn Tea Towels. She says, my mom loves seasonal dish towels, therefore I love seasonal dish towels. They are one of the things in my house that make me happy just for me. And can't we all use a few extra towels? Super cute. I mentioned in the pre-cuts unboxing video that I liked them. They were cute. These are designed by Laurie Holt. And these retail, by the way, according to the pre-cuts pamphlet, for about $15. So that's a nice haul. I just don't really use dish towels, seasonal or otherwise. So, I don't know if they'll get put to good use, but this would make an excellent gift for somebody that does use them. We have an orange friction pen, and while I never let friction pens really go near my fabric, I do find that these are super handy for my daughter to use in her schoolwork. She likes to write with pen, and a little bit of friction or heat to the paper will take the markings away if she needs to erase. So super handy to have this, and it's orange colored, which is perfect theme for Halloween. She says, since I can never find a good fabric pen when I need one, I wanted to make sure you don't have the same problem. The ink in this pen will erase when you iron it. I have always had great luck with these pens, but be sure to test it on your fabric before you mark something important. So listen, let me just talk to you about this really quick. If you're going to use these pens to mark on the back side of your fabric, and that marking is going to be cut away in your seam allowance, you don't have to worry about it. However, I would not trust these pens on light colored fabric marking either the back or the right side, because I've heard, though I've never tested it, I've heard that once you take the mark away with heat, if the fabric gets cold enough, it'll come back. And sometimes washing your fabric after the project is all done doesn't get rid of the chemicals from these pens. So just be super cautious with these. Make sure you know what you're getting into before you use them. For all of those reasons, I actually don't use these on fabric. I do use them in notebooks, which is what they're designed for. I always make sure to reach for a water-soluble marker when I'm marking either the front or the back side of my fabric. And if you want some of those, I've got a ton of them in my Etsy shop. So Becca.store. Okay, we have our pattern and she's printed it off here. It looks like it's going to be easy to read and follow. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Take a look at this, guys. It is the Gobble Gobble Turkey Pillow pattern by Center Street Quilts. She said November is the big breath we take between Halloween and Christmas. It's a calmer holiday, but that doesn't mean it doesn't deserve some festivity. This turkey pillow will complement all your fall quilts and make your home feel extra cozy. Bonus, it's a quick sew, and I think you're gonna love this project. See, this is what I'm talking about. Instead of giving us a whole layer cake or a whole jelly roll or a lot of fabric or yardage, she's gonna give us everything we need to put this pillow together. And so all we have to do is just follow the pattern with the fabric she sent, and we'll have this ready to go. And here's the bonus for me. My husband was just telling me we needed some throw pillows for upstairs. He grabbed a couple of my throw pillows that I had on my shelves back here that aren't covered up by anything because I haven't made a pillow cover for him. And he put them on the couch and he was like, when you get a chance, you can sew a pillow cover for those. I guess I'm going to put this one together. You'll have to keep your eye on the channel because I would love to put this together on video so you can see me putting a project together. I have this really crazy idea that I want to limit my subscription boxes down to the ones where I'm actually going to sew the project. And I want to give you a video of me sewing the project. So hold me accountable to that. If I open the November box and I haven't given you the video for me putting this together, call me out on it. So the last thing that we got, of course, is our various fabrics and batting, everything we need to put that pillow cover together. She's included all the fabrics, lining, batting, and buttons that you'll need to finish the project. The only thing you need to supply is your own pillow form, and that's not a problem. So let's just show you the fabric that she's put in here. Super cute fabrics. Look at that. These all look like they're Riley Blake, Laurie Holt fabrics. This one's really cute. I love that. A little cross-stitch words. Got a nice brown here. And then I actually have some yardage of this in my shop. So if you like this low volume one, hit up my Etsy shop, Becca.store. And then we have some batting to go behind it. So cute, cute, cute. This would be super stinking cute to put together. And we have a little package of teeny bits with buttons that you're going to use to put your super decuper turkey, turkey, lurky, lurky together. That's everything for this video, guys. Thank you so much for diving into the October 2020 package for the Ginger Quilter box. I'm super excited to get all of these items, and to me, there is a value here that is not listed in the letter or otherwise. It is the value of curating a package and giving me everything I need to make that project. Super excited to have that. I wish there were more boxes that did projects, not stash builders. She's onto something here. If you'd like to sign up for these boxes, you can find all the information on how to sign up in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will see you right back here every Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, where we take a sewing project and start it and try to finish it in one evening. Hope to sew with you on Friday. Bye!